Hello, kiddos. It's time for a rapid fire MLA formatting tutorial to get your essays in final draft form for project night. All right, here we go. You can see this slideshow, or it's just really just a slide on your Google Classroom. It has the basics for MLA formatting. We need to make sure our writing is in 12-point Times New Roman font, double spacing with an indented first line of each paragraph, and then we need to make sure we have this heading. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do each of these steps really quick. I pulled up a example essay from someone that needs to be formatted for the final draft. So here's a couple quick tips and how-tos for formatting. Sometimes your menus for formatting are hidden. So you have to click this little button. See, they're hidden right now, and then if you click that arrow down, it'll show you your menus. What I like to do when I'm changing the formatting is to go here to Edit and click the button Select All. If I click Select All, any changes to the formatting I make will be applied to the whole document. So if I make the text bigger, it'll make everything bigger. I need to make sure it's size 12-point font. So I'm going to type 12 in here, or I choose 12. Okay, it's the right size font. I need to make sure it's Times New Roman. So I go to Times New Roman. There we go. It's Times New Roman. And then I'm going to make sure that all of my paragraphs are start with an indent. So I hit the little tab button and it makes an indentation. So you hit the tab button on your keyboard. It's above Shift and Cap locks. And I'm going to do that for each of the paragraphs. So tab, tab, tab. Okay. Now I want my paragraphs to all be like close and cuddled up next to each other. So I'm going to remove these extra spaces. Okay. Now I'm going to select all again, and I'm going to hover over this place that says line spacing. I'm going to click line spacing and choose double, and that's going to create double spacing in my document. Now, the last thing I have to do is to add a heading. So for this student, it's Clarence Clay, Bridging Humanities. The next part is Mr. Ted and Mix J, teachers, and the date, which is November 19th. And then the last thing you got to do is add a title. I'll let Clarence choose the title here, and then that's what it looks like when you're done with MLA formatting. All right. Ask questions to me or to your teachers today during class for help with your MLA formatting.